Hi, I'm Mark with Hothead Headliners. What we have here is we have a headliner that we're making for these. They just fit perfectly in these areas right here. They will be removable if you want to remove them. And I'm going to just show really quick how to install them. They're super easy. I'm going to show one panel. You don't have to take it out, but it might be easier. Then you don't have to worry about spilling alcohol on your beautiful interior. So that's all you need is a rag, which you'll get with your kit. And you're going to need to get some alcohol. You want to get it wet. We're just going to install Velcro right around this outside area here. You want to make sure you clean that really good. And it's probably fairly clean, but we just want to make sure that any kind of residue that's built up. And here's the actual, what you should do is install your Velcro, wait 48 hours, and that allows the adhesive time to completely cure. It takes 24 to 48 hours. If it's very hot out, it'll cure quicker. And then just stick your panels in place. So they're going to be cut to length. 3 of them are the same size. This is the front piece. And the trick to putting this in is just peel a little bit back. And you want to go right to the edge, but not over. And then peel a little bit more. Make sure you got it nice and straight. Push down. Make sure you got it nice and straight. And then take the carrier you just took off and use it to push that down really good. And like I said, best case scenario is install these pieces and then wait 24 to 48 hours. If it's like middle of summer, super hot, 24 hours is fine before you stick your pieces in. If it is cooler than that, you should probably wait 48 hours. Take your piece, make sure you know where it's going to start. You want it kind of centered. If you try to do this without the carrier, it'll rip the skin off of your fingers. And this one's kind of curved, so you want to pull with a little bit of tension and it'll curve right around that without bunching up anywhere. Push down as you're going. And then if you look down that one, see how it's got kind of a curve to it? It'll lay right in there perfectly fine, even though this Velcro doesn't really have a stretch to it. It still works. This one's a little bit long. If you do have to cut a little piece off it to make it fit right, that's totally fine. Okay, so now we're going to pretend that 48 hours had passed, and we're going to take and all you got to do is just slide this piece in. I think it goes in one way easier, so it goes underneath that. Probably best to get it right in the corner there, and just drop it right in. And this thing's stuck right in there. Then we just put our top back in. Now you don't have to take your top off, like I said. I'm doing it so we can see exactly what we're doing. I'm going to do the other pieces in the actual car. But if you want to take them off to be safe and to make sure you get that in there really straight, it's totally fine.